Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete watch history on Facebook. So let's show you how to do it. From here we just have to click on those three lines from the right top page next to Messenger and then scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then from here we have to click again on settings, and then from here we have to scroll down until we find your information section, and from here we have to click on the first option, which is activity log, and then you have to scroll down to the last option, which is logged actions and other activity, your device's logins, videos you've watched. So let's click on that, and from here we have to click on the second option, which is videos you've watched. And here, as you can see, we have all the videos that repeat off. And here, as you can see, we have all the videos that we've watched. So if you want to delete something, you just have to click on those three dots and then hit on the delete button. And if you want to delete some older videos, you just have to scroll down again, click on those three dots, click on delete. Or you can go to filters and go to date and choose the date. Choose a start date and an end date. Click OK, and that's it. Let's go back. And again, if you want to delete a video, click on those three dots and hit on the delete button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was useful for you. You can comment down below your thoughts, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.